guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. So whenever I come live on my Instagram or Nika app or I post a tutorial, I get a lot of queries about foundation, like what foundation shade you should choose, or like what foundation you should buy according to your skin type. So in this video, that is exactly what I intend to discuss about. So I will be sharing my top 5 foundation which is suitable to dry skin type persons. So without further delay, let's get started. So starting with the affordable one, I want to share my Swiss Beauty, my one of the favorite foundations. So this one is from Swiss Beauty. It's Swiss Beauty Flawless Complexion Foundation. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है it's long wear, weightless and radiant. It is obviously long wear foundation. It is weightless, but it provides medium coverage. Like if you don't need a full coverage foundation, you want to go for a very lightweight foundation, so definitely go for this foundation. Even if you are searching for a BB or CC cream, don't buy that. Buy this one instead of BB or CC cream. I swear this foundation is perfect for like office going or college going. So definitely go for this foundation. And here my shade is 05 medium pale. This is perfect for my skin tone. This is perfect according to my skin complexion. So I will be just sharing a quick swatch of this foundation. Keep on watching.
This foundation blends so effortlessly, and the best part is it retails for only 229 rupees.
The second one is this LA Girl foundation. I mean, what I have to say about this foundation, it is like a सर्वगुण संपन्न foundation. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ भी है HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. Actually it is true. आपका फेस जितना भी ड्राई हो, अगर एक्सेसिव ड्राई स्किन वाले भी इस फाउंडेशन को एक बार अप्लाई कर ले, तो वो जो एक इल्यूमिनेटिंग ड्यूवी बेस जो ये फाउंडेशन आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा ना, दैट इज लाइक एवरीथिंग. It is long wear foundation and it is super lightweight, but provides full coverage, and it provides a illuminating dewy glow. So go for this foundation. This foundation is retails for 1250, available on Nika, Amazon or any other beauty shopping app. So this is easily available on any beauty shopping app. So just go for this foundation. Here my shade is Nude Beige. I will just quickly swatch the foundation for you all.
Just look at the illuminating shine it is providing. It moisturizes the skin and makes the base look fresh.
And third one is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. This foundation provides full coverage. You don't have to use concealer separately if you apply this foundation. Here my shade is 00. This is quite lighter than my real undertone, but still I love to use the foundation. I mean, it provides so much natural coverage but full coverage. It is so much lightweight. Like if you apply the foundation, आपको लगेगा ही नहीं that you are wearing anything on your face. It is super lightweight. बस इसको अप्लाई करो and उसको सेट करो with a setting powder and that's all. आपका मेकअप पूरा फुल लगेगा. आपके फेस पे जितने भी एक्ने वगैरह है फुल्ली कवर कर देगा. It is retail for 1400 something and available on any beauty shopping app. But I would like to suggest you to buy this one from Hawk Makeup or from Nika. So definitely go for the foundation. I will be adding all the links below in the description box, so I will just quickly swatch the foundation for you.
It conceals imperfections, even skin tone, and gives a natural flawless finish.
So the fourth one is K Beauty Foundation. Just look at its packaging. It is so much luxurious. It has a classy packaging. We have to appreciate its packaging. It's super लाइक शटल बट क्लासी पैकेजिंग है इसका काफ़ी. एंड दिस फाउंडेशन प्रोवाइड्स मीडियम टू फुल कवरेज. अब इसका कवरेज बिल्डेबल है, सो यू हैव टू बिल्ड अप इट्स कवरेज अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. एंड ये सुपर लाइट वेट है एंड बहुत ही ड्यूई सा फिनिश देता है एंड लॉन्ग वेयर भी है. एक्चुअली दिस वन इज़ माई थर्ड परचेज. Here my shade is 125 wide medium. If you guys are following me on Instagram तो फिर आप लोगों को दिखा होगा कि मैं कितना ज़्यादा ये वाला फाउंडेशन अपने वीडियोस में भी यूज़ करती हूँ. एंड डेली वेयर के लिए भी दिस फाउंडेशन इज़ परफेक्ट. 20 शेड्स में अवेलेबल है ये वाला फाउंडेशन. इट्स प्राइस इज़ अराउंड लाइक 1200. सो आई थिंक इतना बड़ा एक बॉटल आपको मिल रहा है एट 1200. बहुत दिन तक चल जाएगा अगर आप डेली भी यूज़ करोगे. फिर भी लाइक 3-4 मंथ्स तक तो आराम से चल जाएगा. सो क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ऑब्वियसली. एंड जस्ट go for the foundation. I will just quickly swatch the foundation for you all.
It melts into the skin and releases a light veil over the face. It's buttery smooth texture that feels like second skin.
The last foundation is my like all-time favorite foundation. This one is from Too Faced. It's Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Here my shade is vanilla. ये लाइक बहुत फेयर टोन के लिए है, बट आई हैव अदर शेड एज वेल. आई जस्ट मिक्स दोज टू फाउंडेशन एंड अप्लाई. एंड दिस फाउंडेशन यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है अनडिटेक्टेबल मीडियम टू फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन, बट एक्चुअली इट प्रोवाइड्स full coverage, like it's a full coverage foundation. I always apply this foundation on my brides. And ये एक बिल्डेबल कवरेज देता है. बहुत सारे शेड्स में अवेलेबल है, बट दिस वन इज़ काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 3,320 रुपीज़, विच इज़ लाइक क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव बट वर्थ वाइल. सच में बहुत अच्छा ये वाला फाउंडेशन. यू हैव टू ट्राई द फाउंडेशन if you are searching for a luxurious expensive foundation, then definitely go for this foundation. Also it has hyaluronic acid जो कि आपके फाउंडेशन को लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होने के लिए भी हेल्प करता है एंड आपका स्किन बैलेंस भी मेंटेन करता है फॉर अ स्मूथर अपीयरेंस. So you have to try the foundation. I will just quickly swatch the foundation for you all.
It has hyaluronic acid which provides long-lasting skin balancing hydration for a smoother and more youthful appearance. And it is 100% gluten-free and vegan.
So that's it for today. I hope you guys loved the video. I have tried my best कि like affordable to expensive सारे जो foundations है मेरे top favorite and मेरे पास जो है and I thought कि मुझे आप लोगों को भी recommend करना चाहिए इन लोगों का dry skin है, because oily skin के लिए foundations तो मिल जाते हैं. फिर भी I will make a separate video for that. But dry skin के लिए perfect foundation मिलना it is काफ़ी difficult. But I tried my best कि आप लोगों के लिए ये वीडियो बेनिफिशियल होगा, आई नो. तो फिर इस वीडियो को एज मच एज यू कैन शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ जिनको ये प्रॉब्लम फेस होती है कि वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं व्हाट फाउंडेशन दे शुड बाय अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर स्किन टाइप. Like if they have dry skin, even I have dry skin, and today I have applied this Milani foundation. Just look at the coverage, guys. Just look at the coverage. It's super flawless. So okay, that's it for today. I hope you guys love the video. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back very soon with another exciting video. And comment your views in the comment section. And आप लोग को और कैसे वीडियोस चाहिए वो भी आप लोग कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो, या फिर आप लोग को कुछ और तरीके की वीडियोस भी चाहिए अगर, सो फिर प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू कमेंट एनीथिंग यू वांट. सो बाय बाय गाइस, आज के लिए इतना ही. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू सून.